What up, YouTube? This video was taken on this Tuesday afternoon, June 27th, 2023. Time right now is 3:41 p.m., going on 43. And we got an unboxing, so let's get into it. Unwrapping, I guess. Oh, need to sharpen my knife. And look at this wrapping. Taco Bell Crocs. Yeah, so I'm a member of the Taco Bell app, and I got an email saying that I could buy these before they were released. And I don't have any sliders. My flip-flops, you know, I used to have, like, I think they were reef flip-flops, and they got tore up. They ended up breaking, and I used shoe glue to put them together, and they ended up breaking. It's nice to have something to slide on your feet to just walk outside real quick when you don't have socks on, you know, instead of putting shoes on. And when they broke, I decided to buy these sandals that had Velcro straps, and even though they're comfortable, they aren't as easy to slide on your feet to go outside real quick. So when I got the notification in the app that I could buy these, I thought, well, you know what, I could actually use them. And I'm a big fan of Taco Bell, so I thought I would go ahead and get them. I got a size 11, so I usually love wearing Adidas. That's my go-to shoe. And on Adidas, I wear size 12. Most other shoes I wear 11 and a half, but they said size down on the fitting chart because they said they were big, so I got a size 11. We'll have to see how they fit. You got the Taco Bell, and then you have Live Mas, which I have no idea what that means. I can't speak a lick of Spanish. But yeah, these are it. We'll have to see how comfortable they are. But yeah, like I said, I have the Taco Bell app. It alerted me that I could buy them ahead of time. So I placed an order. They came today. And they were a bit pricey, but I was able, I'll post the prices on the video now since I don't know what the prices were. But yeah, they were a bit pricey, but I was able to get a discount by signing up for my email and their newsletter. So let me change the camera angle here and we'll slide them on. Okay, I'll warn you, never in my life did I think that I was going to be a foot model, but it's 2023, here we are. So let's slide them on. So I've never had sliders before, and definitely it was a good idea to go 11s instead of sizing up, because as you can see, they are kind of loose. But they serve their purpose as far as, like I said, if I need to run out and get the mail or something. Because a lot of times around my house I like to be barefoot. And then, you know, these are let me show you. When my last flip-flops broke, these are what I bought. But these aren't as easy to slide on and off as flip-flops are. And I wasn't thinking ahead of time when I decided to buy those. So I think this will do the job, and I'll be stylish and repping. Taco Bell is my favorite fast food joint. You know, I've been watching my diet, but I haven't eliminated Taco Bell. I still been going Taco Bell weekly. And you know, it's Tuesday, so I think Taco Bell Tuesday is sounding pretty good. So I think I'm gonna go and head on off and run to the Taco Bell and get some Taco Bell Tuesday. But I thought I would share these. You know, it was a very interesting alert that I got on my phone that they were selling these, and I guess I was a sucker and I went for it. I assume since they're Crocs, they're not going to break. Those reefer flip flops, I think they were reefer. Um, I I've had like two pairs of those, and both of them they totally get destroyed. And I put shoe glue on, and shoe glue will only work for like a month until I finally had to throw them out. So hopefully these will be very durable and they won't break. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.